working from home has already put them under stress or work pressure from 8 hours to 12 hours. It's like earlier if they would go to office for 8 hours, now they have to work at home for 12 hours because they need to complete the task or the projects, whatever has been given to them. So they cannot do it in one particular position. They always try to change their position. They want to even relax because their body wants to demand it, okay? So now what is happening? She is lying down on a sofa just to relax herself and trying to work because she wants to finish her task. But this is causing a lot of dysfunction in her. The neck is coming forward, her core again, it might have suppressed or worked more for some of the muscles, and it will create a lot of problems to her. So I think ideally going to office was the best thing. Not that you need to have a proper chair and a desk for your workstation. Don't do that. This is the worst thing you can do for yourself. See, nobody visits us when they are not in pain. They will wait. The body will talk only when they are in pain. Whenever they are in pain, they should address us before it becomes worse. And then there's numbness and tingling happening in your body. That's the sign that now I cannot work more than this. You need to show it to doctors. So you need to visit a physiotherapist then.